Hi everybody, this is Steve from Scale Model Kit Review. Well, I just got back from the IPMS Nationals in Phoenix. Wow, what a fantastic show. I spent 2 full days there. Most of the time, I spent my time in the contest room. And as you can imagine, I was in there videotaping every aspect of that show. You will not see a more comprehensive review of all the model kits from 2018 IPMS Nationals in Phoenix. I spent very little time in the vendor's room, just enough time to say hello to folks and meet and greet a few friends of mine, and I appreciate those that came up to me and said hello. But I didn't buy a whole lot there. As you can see, I did pick up the new Grumman F14D Tomcat from Tamiya, and that was on my list to pick that up. The other kit that I did pick up was from Eduard, and that is the BF109G-10 kit. And with that, I also got the oversprue for that too, which is a whole nother kit found inside here, except for the photo etch and such. But those were the only model kits I picked up. And my other goal was to pick up these metalsmiths from Badger. And these are the newest metals that Badger has come out with. And I look forward to using these. A lot of my friends in the scale modeling community use these and they highly recommend them. So I'm glad I got those. But yes, I just spent most of my time in the contest room. So if you didn't see me around, it's because I either had my 35mm camera in front of me, or I had my video camera in front of me, or I was even doing a live Facebook videos, which you guys saw that previously. I put up 3 or 4 parts of live feeds from the Nationals via Facebook. Now, not everybody's on Facebook, so that's why I posted them up on YouTube. So those of my friends that subscribe to me on YouTube can see what was going on live as I was filming, just with my iPhone. I was using my iPhone camera, and it does a fantastic job. I ran out of battery power with my camera. I spent 2 days filming every model that I could that was on display that was entered into the contest. And I hope you guys just stay tuned, sit back, get some popcorn, and watch all the parts that I'm going to put up. I'm going to keep the videos about 10 minutes a piece so we don't bore you. But, I don't monetize my channel, so you won't get interrupted with commercials or anything like that. I don't need to monetize to get the subscribership. That's just not me. There's no reason for me to make money off these videos. Anyhow, sit back and enjoy the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. I am here at the IPMS Nationals 2018 in Phoenix, Arizona. I'd like to welcome you to the show, and we'll look around. We'll look at the contest room, and then of course we will look at the vendors. So stay tuned. So here's the contest room. And what I'm going to do is I'll come back a little bit later and do some video.
Ready. I saw Ethan working from the society, so I wonder where he is. He doesn't know Ethan, do you? I don't know.
Oh, no.
Yeah.